Hello learners, I'm Shahita
And I'm Monisha.
and you're watching Learn Life with us. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Nutrition and its types. Nutrition is the diet of an organism that interrupts the nutrients and other substances in food in relation to maintenance, growth, reproduction, and health. It includes ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and digestion. Nutrition is the process by which organisms take in food, ingestion, digestion, metabolism, and finally excretion. It's simple as that.
Ingestion. Ingestion is the consumption of a substance by an organism. It can also refer to a mechanism of picking up something and making it enter into an internal hollow of that mechanism. In microorganisms, normally ingestion takes place through phagocytosis, meaning engulfing through the cell membrane. In plants, ingestion is not a significant process. In animals, ingestion takes place as a substance through the mouth into the gastrointestinal tract, such as eating or drinking. Besides nutritional items, substances that may be ingested include medication, recreational drugs, substances considered inedible, such as foreign bodies. Ingestion is a common route taken by pathogenic organisms.
Digestion. Digestion is referred to the breakdown of large insoluble food molecules into small water soluble food molecules so that they can be absorbed into the blood plasma. It is a form of catabolism that is often divided into two processes based on how food is broken down: mechanical and chemical digestion. The term mechanical digestion refers to the physical breakdown of large pieces of food into smaller pieces, which is subsequently be accessed by digestive enzymes. In chemical digestion, enzymes break down food into smaller molecules that the body can use.
Absorption. Absorption is the process by which the products of digestion are absorbed by the blood to be supplied to the rest of the body. During absorption, the digested products are transported into the blood or lymph through the mucous membrane.
Assimilation. The first process of assimilation is the process of absorption of vitamins, minerals, and other chemicals from food within the gastrointestinal tract. The second process of assimilation is the chemical alteration of substances in the bloodstream by the liver or cellular secretions. This second process is where the absorbed food reaches the cells through the liver.
Digestion. Digestion is the final act of digestion by which organisms eliminate solid, semi-solid, or liquid waste materials from the digestive tract through excretory organs. Now moving on to different modes of nutrition in different organisms. We will learn in detail about all different modes of nutrition, but first let's have an overview. Look at this flowchart. Types of nutrition. There are three general types of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, and the most uncommon one, the mixotrophic nutrition. More often, mixotrophs are not included as a part of types of nutrition, but we consider to cover it.
Further, autotrophs are divided into photoautotroph and chemoautotroph based on their source of energy.
Secondly, heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are also divided into photoheterotrophs and chemoheterotrophs. We'll get on to it later. But for a general types of heterotrophs are grouped into parasites, saprophytes, and symbionts. For a detailed study, we may also include holozoites under this type of nutrition. Third, mixotrophs. Mixotrophs could be generally classified into obligate mixotrophs, facultative mixotrophs, obligate autotrophy with facultative heterotrophy, facultative autotrophy with obligate heterotrophy.
This chart gives an overview of the types of nutrition in different organisms. Now let's understand them briefly.
And that is it for nutrition and its type. We will learn in detail about each type of nutrition in the upcoming videos. Until next time, keep learning because knowledge rules humanity. See you, bye-bye. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications and leave a massive thumbs up. You can also leave a comment on what video you would like to see next. Peace.